I'm continuing from last week where we left off at a cliffhanger, where I started making the Fault Boy Fallout thing and did not finish quite yet. So, I extended it this week and I have come to a conclusion. So without further ado, enjoy the episode. I'm ready for the apocalypse. I'm not happy with how it turned out, unfortunately. I did not go all the way through. It was just taking way too long. So either I had to have different equipment, or I had to be a lot more patient, or both. And if there's any one of my flaws, it's a flaw in some cases, but a strength in others. It's that I am not very patient. I like things to happen quickly. And this was not happening quickly. So it's all right. It's all right, but I also have, I don't know. I'm very critical of this. I'm not super happy with how it came out. I'm going to call this a failure, but a success in trying something and learning something new. Because every failure is also a success in learning a little bit. So I learned a little bit more about carving metal with Dremels. I got new tools too, which is kind of nice. And that's definitely a win. So, sorry for it not working out, and for the short video. This week is going to be a little short because it's just part 2. But I'm excited for the next things to come for this channel. And I am happy that I got it done, even though it's not perfect. So, if you like this channel, then please give it a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe. And you will help me get more equipment and all that jazz so I can do new cool shits. So, with that said, and without further ado, y'all have a good day.